What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to talk to you about this car and the paint job and how much it costs. We're gonna walk around, look at it a little bit. It's really cold outside, so I'm gonna try and make this quick. So I'm gonna start with the little things first. This grill right here. This grill was cracked. It still is, sorta. You can see right there. See that little crack? There's one right there too. It's hard to find grills for this car that aren't $1 billion. So what I did was I plastic welded it as much and as good as I could. And then I painted it black. Same with these right here. Painted those black just to make them look fresh. And then those as well. Side mirrors. Gas cap. Just trying to make it look as fresh as possible. The paint job. I used 3 quarts of paint. It is Rust-Oleum paint, and I did put a thing up on my YouTube channel in the community if I should budget paint this, and majority said yes. So instead of rattle canning the car, I actually got a paint gun and then quarts of paint. It's not perfect, but it is better than it was, I believe, in my opinion. There's obviously more things that I can do. When it warms up, probably next spring or summer, I'm gonna buff this paint. I might even repaint it. I don't know. It was kind of fun. And yeah. But I'd paint it the same color. Just better. That was my first time painting a car with a paint gun. And then, there's little things that I didn't notice before. Obviously, I noticed this front lip was fucked up, but didn't fix it because I want to replace it and probably replace this whole front end and do the circle headlights. So this hood is a little damaged, and it was hard for me to find a hood to replace it. I don't know if you could see. It's kind of dented right there. So I need to fix that. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna point out the flaws here. You can see a little dent right there that I didn't see before. It looks way better than it did, I think. That door right there, I don't know if you guys seen one of my other videos where somebody sideswiped me. I gotta replace this door, so I didn't prep that door. I just wanted to get everything color matched. This is all done pretty quickly. I got a replacement door, but there's a bunch of rust on it, so I need to solve that issue. Just walk around it real quick. See all that? I'm assuming orange pill might be what that's called. Yeah, it's not perfect. Sorry to disappoint. But I'm happy. It's different to look out and see practically a completely different car. It just, even though the paint's not perfect, I know it's way better than Rattle Can. I don't know, I'm super happy with it. And I know I'll probably get a lot of shit for doing it the way I did. And, you know, it is what it is. It was a budget paint. And nothing's perfect. But as long as you're happy with it, I guess. If we do redo the paint job, I'll make sure I do a little bit more prep. Now that I could see all the imperfections, we can go back and do it again, and it's not gonna hurt me if I redo it. If anything, I'll just be happier with the outcome, hopefully. Another thing, I used it's like a 3-gallon air compressor, super small, giant pain in the ass. Every time, it's like 3 sprays, and then you gotta let it fill up again. So that was another challenge, and that's something that I would do and get a new one, but bigger. So the next plan for this car is, I think I'm gonna keep these wheels and keep the wheel chrome, and then the centerpiece I want to do like a red. I think it'd look really cool. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think. Anyway, I know the paint job isn't perfect, but for the total cost, it's pretty dang good. I spent a total of $92 and some odd cents. Let's say with tax, we'll just go to round it up to $100 is what this paint job costs. So I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Talk smack on me if you want. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than, I don't know, the clear coat falling off and turning into dust, and all the little imperfections that it did have, all the little dents on the side that I was able to see. I know I missed a few, but it's coming along, one little bit at a time. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video when we do something with these wheels and maybe do some interior. I don't know, we'll see.